In a world of humans and diapsids, otherwise known as lizards, birds, and reptiles, we share common ancestry, but we don't know if it's true. Today, me and my partner Maddi will explain to you how diapsids have evolved over time and how some relate to humans. We are going to explain how diapsids have evolved into many different shapes and sizes, and how they connect to us through their anatomy, fossil evidence, and where they come from.
Diapsids are reptiles, birds, and serpents. Diapsid means two arches, referring to the temporal opening behind the eye in some reptiles.
All diapsids have life. They are eukaryotic, which are cells with nuclei. They are bilateria, which are animals with bilateral symmetry. And they are animals with jaws. They are also tetrapods, which are animals with 4 legs and have vertebrae higher than fish. And also one more thing. They are also amniotes, which are animals that lay eggs on land or fertilize the egg within the mother. This demonstrates common ancestry because it shows that all diapsids, as they evolved, all have had life, eukaryotes, bilateria, and all of the rest of the things that I said previously up to today. It also shows that as diapsids have evolved, many took different forms depending on where they lived because they adapted to different environments while their traits stayed the same. That is how this shows common ancestry.
The Edaphosaurus, one of the first diapsids in the Pramnic period, has a body structure similar to that of a crocodile. The picture below shows both the Edaphosaurus and the crocodile. The very significant difference is the fan-like structure on the back of the Edaphosaurus that is not on the crocodile.
Diapsids and humans don't look alike, but 30 million years ago we had a common ancestor. The diapsid that compares best to the human is the ostrich. Even though we have evolved separately, we share common traits, such as we both are able to walk on 2 legs, we are both animals with jaws, and we both have a spine, and we both have life.
Diapsids evolved differently depending on where they lived in the world and what species they were. For example, one species out of the 7,925 different species of diapsids in the world is the Komodo dragon that has evolved to have a long neck to see through the tall grasses of Indonesia. Another species that body type is semi-similar to that of the Komodo dragon is the crocodile, who, like the Komodo dragon, has short legs. The crocodile also has eyes and nostrils on the top of its head so it can see just above the water when it's submerged. They also both have the temporal openings right behind their eyes and their head.
So what's in the future for these creatures? Well, I shall tell you. Some species, such as the Komodo dragon, will go extinct. Others, such as the geckos, have a very large population. But as time goes on, their population will go down as well. The Komodo dragons are an endangered species, and it is because people hunt them. People hunt lizards because they like to take their skins as a souvenir, like the crocodile. Diapsids show just one group of species that have evolved over time and also has a common ancestor with humans. All other species have a common ancestor with us, whether it be 300 million years ago or the beginning of life on our magnificent planet Earth.